Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. So in this video we were discussing about the hand movement tracking. It is very faster and real time. I will show you the result and you can track easily and you can easily use your drones with media by P library. It is some basic you can say see the script of the Python underscore track. So our target is to sum up of the code and put our GitHub, and you can easily to get here from here and you test it yourself. So convert in your projects into real time in business side in other side. So let's start. You can also download from here. So you also can use the Git and you get that link from here and go to the directory. After got it directory, you can go to the upgrade your pip and requirement need to install only media by P and OpenCV. And here I am briefing only the Mac side, but we are going to the run media by P in Windows side. I have not the latest version. I have only 2000. I will show you my Mac version 2013 version. MediaPipe usage only 2015. Okay, so let's start. So have fun. Download. I have already downloaded my code, and you can see the name is the hand movement folder name. So here I am opening my Sublime. You can see the one is simple script Python version, Python file. So Python version, I will show you the Python version, Python 3.9.13. So here the libraries, CV library. Here you can see the media bible library. Here the one folder you can see it, one folder and media bible visibility present, and you can check it out, the one simple library to call here the main library. So function call the open the camera frame and landmark. uh, you code get this code get from my git account and a simple very basic here connecting our machine with any desk. Here you can check it out, the we connect the machine of the window and I will open my file, same folder sent to the window machine. So I am opening my ideally Python version, same version 3.9 point something. So I will show you the version of the Python and you can check it out. I will open it, same algorithm and same file will be used. So just run the command F5. You can get the result within seconds, and I will open my uh, check it out the my simply running camera, and you can see the result. So I think it's working. Yes, it's working now. Okay, you can check it out the result, and I am playing my webcam with so we cannot open the resizing of the okay, it's okay, not big deal. You can check it out the result, and yeah, you can see the now tracking the hands and workage of the one we are trying to write py only py. So you can see one hand track, and here we write the p y and some signature steps with hand tracking movements. So uh, I think it's little bit no, it's the real time. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates. Any type of confusion, you comment down.